Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, let's see where we were last time.
So last time we tried to draw a spiral by using, for example, squares, right? Let's check the code and see if we can remember that. Okay, go to the EX2, go to the Google Colab, open the EX2, and then connect to the machine. And at the top level, pip, run the cell with a pip. Okay. So where were we? We drew, yeah, right here. So we defined, for example, by doing this, we learned how to define square and triangle like this. And also, we learned to draw star. So here the story is, okay, let's check. Last one was okay, draw 60 squares turning by 5 degrees each time. Okay, we did that. And the let's see, the homework was and also increasing the side length, and then define a star function of star s and do the same. Okay, let's do that. So let's define a star function. Just like maybe we can go up to if you want, you can make a new box here and just copying the above star side length is s. As I said, star has 5 what do you call it, corners. It's corners. Okay, and then as I said, t forward. By the way, you can use fd as a shorthand for forward, and forward s. And then as I said, the turning angle is not 360 by, I don't know, 360 over 5, but 180 minus 36. That's a tricky part. Okay, let's let's check that. So star 100. Let's check if we can draw stars. Some strange thing because we forgot to initialize. We drew a triangle last time. Okay, so anyway, we successfully defined star. So we can use this now. And then we can use the same code as last time. So t.initialize 9, width is 1, starting size is 30. Maybe we can start with starting size of 20. 60 times, do the same thing. 60 times, call star function, turn left by 5 degrees and increase the size by 5. Maybe by 3. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Okay, the turtle is working hard. Okay, and drawing. Good. Seems it's good. Beautiful. Okay. While he or she is working, let's check the slide. So, is it exactly the same? Yeah. Sharp corner is 636, as I showed you. And it's working very good. Now it's okay. Yeah, it's like ammonite. Good. So maybe you can try your variations yourself. So in the meantime, let's go to today's work. Lesson 12, move and draw. Okay, what is it about? Draw stars with increasing size and turning 5 degrees each time. We did this, okay? Change color. Oh, by the way, we learned to use colors. Change colors in turn, red, yellow, and blue. If you know that, try yourself after stopping the video. Okay, let me try. So, let's reuse it. So after each call or just before calling star, we can use color or pen color, either way. So, but we want to change colors in turn. So we use, again, modulo by 3, which is by percentage mark 3. And if it is 0, meaning that when I is divisible by 0, divisible by 3, use color of, say, what was it? Red first? Red, yellow, and blue. Okay, use red. Else, elif, if, elif, I divisible. The remainder is 1. Okay, T color. What was it? Yellow? And otherwise, just blue. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Ah, yellow. I should have spelled more carefully. Okay, let's try that. Ooh, great. He or she is working very diligently, changing colors each time, and increasing the size, changing colors, and making the spiral. Beautiful. Okay, maybe we don't need to wait to be finished. Okay, let's move on to today's theme. Draw a square of 30, move 100 to the right, and draw again. Here, what we learned for the first time is pen up and pen down. Okay, first let's try anyway. Draw a square, move 100, and draw again. So, okay, finished? Yeah, finished. Okay, let's prepare several boxes, and let's copy the first one. Maybe only the first one. And just use the normal speed. So we don't need 9 here. Okay, draw a square of size 30. Say, I don't know which direction he's working on. Okay, let's check and see. Square again. Typo. So after drawing a square, the turtle is looking upward. So maybe I need to turn right and then move 100. Okay, so let's additionally write that. Turn right by 90 and then move forward 100 and square. Square, do the same thing. Okay, let's see it. Draw a square. Okay, move 100 toward and write another. Okay, good. Almost good, but we don't need the line in between. So maybe we need to pen up here and there. Okay, so what we want is after drawing a square, pen up. And just before drawing next one, pen down. Ooh, I noticed that pen down, not pen down. Okay, this will give us what we want, I guess. Draw a square, turn left, and pen up, pen down. Okay, good, very good. So, repeat 4 times. It will go beyond the screen. So maybe so basically if we want it 4 times. So let's see. Again, this time, this guy is looking to right. This is what's strange. Okay, so a little different. Maybe I see. So to do it, yeah, just do it 4 times and see what it looks like. By the way, yeah, select here and do it. By the way, by 100 is too big. So let's change it to 50. Okay, let's see it. Draw square, then up. Ah, it's strange. That's right. Okay, now I know what's wrong. We do it, but each time we drew 2 squares. So actually, we don't need this. So the thing is, let's see which is better. Draw square, pen up, forward. So we don't need this. How about this? Okay, let's see it. Draw square, turn right, move, draw square, turn right, move. Okay, good. So maybe, you can call it what? Actually, this is what turning right after each draw will give this one. So let's see what happens if you omit this. So you see the difference of A and B. Actually, what I wanted was this for the first one. And with turning right for the next one, second one. But anyway, we now know how to do it. Okay, so today what we learned was changing color, how to change colors, and also how to move with pen up and pen down. By the way, pen up can be also written as just up and down. Okay, homework. Do the same with triangle and star. Okay, maybe here what I want is like this shape. Let's speed up and let's make bigger. Okay. Okay, do the same thing with star and triangle yourself. Okay, I'm sure you can do it. Hope you'll come back. Bye bye.